Astro was a curious boy, always fascinated by the mysteries of the universe. He would spend hours flipping through pages of space books, his eyes wide with wonder.
I love to learn about the planets, the stars, and everything beyond our world.
Most of all, Astro loved space. His room was filled with space-themed items, from posters of galaxies to models of the solar system.
I could spend hours gazing at the stars, imagining what it would be like to travel among them.
He would use his telescope to see them up close, marveling at the twinkling lights that dotted the night sky.
Meow, I'm Luna, Astro's cat. I love to keep him company during his stargazing adventures.
Luna was clever and playful, always curious about the world around her. She had a special bond with Astro, sharing his love for the stars.
I also love looking at the stars. They make me feel like I'm part of something much bigger.
Astro and Luna would often sit by the window, gazing at the night sky together. It was their special time, a moment of peace and wonder.
Look at that, Luna. The night sky is so beautiful. Each star tells a story, and I wish I could learn them all.
They would watch the night sky together, sharing their dreams and aspirations. The stars were their friends, always there to listen.
Meow, what's that bright light? It looks different from the other stars.
One night, something magical happened. A bright light appeared in the sky, unlike anything they had ever seen before. It wasn't just a shooting star, it was a glowing celestial object, moving gracefully across the sky. It grew bigger and bigger, illuminating the night with its radiant glow.
It's landing in our backyard. What could it be? This is so exciting.
Astro and Luna were very surprised. They'd never seen anything like it before. Their hearts raced with anticipation.
What could it be? Could it be a visitor from another world? Or perhaps a new star being born?
With a mix of excitement and curiosity, Astro and Luna approached the light. They knew this was a moment they would never forget. Their eyes widened with wonder as they got closer. The light was warm and inviting, almost as if it was calling out to them. To their amazement, the light revealed a small spaceship, unlike anything they had ever seen. It was sleek and shiny, with lights that twinkled like stars. The door of the spaceship slowly opened, and a friendly figure emerged, waving at Astro and Luna. It was a moment of pure magic, a new friend from the stars, ready to share stories and adventures with Astro and Luna. From that night on, the stars held even more wonder for Astro and Luna. They had made a new friend, and their adventures were just beginning. The universe was vast and full of mysteries, and with their new friend, Astro and Luna were ready to explore it all. Together they would journey through the stars, discovering new worlds and making memories that would last a lifetime. Astro and Luna cautiously approached the light.
It's a spaceship!
The spaceship was round and silver. It had many blinking lights.
Meow, it's so shiny.
A door slid open with a swoosh. Welcome aboard. I'm Starry, the talking spaceship.
Wow, a talking spaceship.
Astro and Luna were amazed. They had never met a talking spaceship before. I travel across the solar system. I have come to take you on an adventure.
Meow, an adventure in space.
Astro and Luna were so excited they couldn't wait to explore space. Astro and Luna eagerly jumped into Starry. The inside of the spaceship was amazing.
There are buttons and screens everywhere.
A big screen showed the stars outside. Fasten your seatbelts. With a rumble and a roar, they blasted off into space.
Look, Luna, Earth is a blue and green ball below.
It was so beautiful. Our first stop is Mars, the red planet.
Meow, I can't wait to see Mars.
As they approached Mars, Astro and Luna saw that it was indeed red. The surface was covered in dust and rocks.
Look at those giant volcanoes and deep canyons.
Mars is very different from Earth. It's much colder and has a very thin atmosphere.
Meow, it's incredible.
Astro and Luna were fascinated. They had learned about Mars in school, but seeing it up close was incredible. Let's go closer. They flew over the Martian surface. They saw robots exploring the planet.
Wow, look at those robots.
Meow, the wonders of space exploration.
Astro and Luna were amazed by the wonders of space exploration. Next, Starry took them to Jupiter.
Jupiter was enormous.
It was the biggest planet in the solar system.
Jupiter is a gas giant, Starry explained.
It's made up mostly of hydrogen and helium.
They saw Jupiter's famous Great Red Spot.
It was a giant storm that had been raging for centuries.
Wow, Astro exclaimed. That storm is bigger than Earth.
Luna meowed in agreement.
They were both in awe of Jupiter's massive size.
Starry then pointed out Jupiter's moons.
Jupiter has over 75 moons, Starry exclaimed.
Astro and Luna were astounded.
There was so much to see in space. Their next stop was Saturn, the ringed planet.
Saturn's rings were even more spectacular up close.
They were made of ice and rock, and they shimmered in the sunlight.
Saturn's rings are like a giant racetrack, Starry explained.
Millions of particles are orbiting the planet.
Astro and Luna were mesmerized by the beauty of the rings.
They looked like a giant cosmic disco ball.
Saturn is also a gas giant, Starry added.
But it's much less dense than Jupiter.
Astro and Luna were learning so much about the planets.
They couldn't wait to tell their friends back on Earth. Section 7. Uranus and Neptune, ice giants of the outer solar system. Starry then took them to see Uranus and Neptune. These planets were very far from the Sun and were very cold. They were called ice giants. These massive planets are composed mainly of elements like water, ammonia and methane, which exist in a frozen state due to the frigid temperatures so far from the Sun. Their immense size and unique compositions make them fascinating subjects of study. Uranus was a pale blue color and tilted on its side. This unusual tilt makes Uranus one of the most intriguing planets in our solar system. Unlike other planets that spin more or less upright, Uranus rotates on its side, almost as if it has been knocked over. This tilt affects the planet's seasons, causing extreme variations in weather and temperature over its long orbit around the Sun.
Uranus spins like a rolling ball. This sideways rotation is unique and gives Uranus a very different appearance and behavior compared to other planets. The planet's magnetic field is also tilted and offset from its center, adding to the mystery of this distant world.
Starry explained. Astro and Luna giggled, imagining the planet tumbling through space. Next, they visited Neptune, which was a deep blue color. Neptune had strong winds and powerful storms. The deep blue hue of Neptune is due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue light. This gives Neptune its striking appearance.
Neptune is the windiest planet in our solar system. The winds on Neptune can reach speeds of up to 1,200 miles per hour, making it a planet of extreme weather. These powerful winds drive massive storms that can be seen swirling across the planet's surface, creating a dynamic and ever-changing atmosphere.
Starry said. Astro and Luna were amazed by the power of nature, even in the depths of space. The vastness and variety of the outer solar system left them in awe. They realized that even in the cold, dark reaches far from the Sun, there is a world of wonder and mystery waiting to be explored. The ice giants, with their unique characteristics and extreme conditions, are a testament to the incredible diversity of our solar system. Section 8. Back to Earth, a bittersweet farewell. After visiting all the planets, it was time to go home. Astro and Luna were sad to leave Starry. They'd had so much fun exploring space.
Thank you for the amazing adventure, Starry.
Luna rubbed against Starry's leg, purring her thanks. You're welcome. Remember, the universe is full of wonders. Never stop exploring.
With that, Starry blasted off into the night sky.
Section 9. Sharing the wonders of the cosmos. Astro and Luna returned to their normal lives. They had been on an incredible journey, one that took them far beyond the confines of their everyday world. The adventure had opened their eyes to the vastness of the universe. But they were changed by their adventure. The experience had left an indelible mark on their hearts and minds. They often found themselves daydreaming about the stars and planets they had seen. They had seen the wonders of the solar system firsthand. The rings of Saturn, the red dust of Mars, the swirling storms of Jupiter, all these sights were now etched in their memories. They were eager to learn more about space. Astro and Luna spent hours reading books about the cosmos, watching documentaries and peering through their telescope at the night sky.
Astro told all his friends about their trip. He couldn't contain his excitement as he recounted their journey, describing the planets and stars with vivid detail. He shared the amazing facts he had learned. His friends were fascinated by the stories of distant worlds and the mysteries of the universe. He even built a model of the solar system for his room. Each planet was carefully crafted and placed in its orbit, a miniature version of the vast expanse they had explored. Now he could explore the planets anytime he wanted. The model became a centerpiece in his room, a constant reminder of their incredible adventure.
Luna, too, loved to tell the story of their adventure. She would gather her friends and recount their journey, her eyes lighting up with excitement as she spoke. She would meow excitedly whenever Astro mentioned Starry or the planets. Starry, their loyal cat, seemed to understand the significance of their journey and would join in their excitement. They both treasured the memories of their time in space. The adventure had brought them closer together and ignited a lifelong passion for the cosmos. They knew that their journey was just the beginning of a lifelong exploration of the wonders of the universe. Section 10. The universe awaits, keep exploring. Astro and Luna's adventure taught them the importance of curiosity and exploration. There was so much out there to discover, both in space and on Earth. All they had to do was keep asking questions and seeking answers.
Astro and Luna knew that their adventure was just the beginning. The universe was vast and full of mysteries. They couldn't wait to see what other wonders awaited them.
They knew that as long as they kept their curiosity alive, they would never stop learning and growing.